This is a test of Mousetrap video.
So the first thing you want to do is draw a diagram of the mousetrap based on your wheels and proportions of the mousetrap vehicle itself. And yeah. The next step is you're going to have to get wood to start building your mousetrap dimensions. Then you're going to have to cut 3 pieces of wood based off your diagram from Vectorworks. This machine is the bandsaw. It's going to help you cut out your wood edges so it can be perfectly shaped. Now this machine is going to be the machine that allows you to drill holes into your wood so you can make your axles fit in. And based off your diagram, you're going to either have an 8th axle or a 4th axle. This is another bandsaw, and that is a 1564 drill bit in the background. It'll help you drill your holes so it can be wider than your axles so the axles can actually fit in. This is a CD. You will obviously be needing 4 of those, and those will be acting as your wheels for the mousetrap car. And that square/rectangle thing is going to be the things that fit into your axles, where you're going to have to cut the same hole from those drills I showed you earlier so they can help keep your CD in place. Now this is the mousetrap that you're going to be using your force and as your friction factor, and you're going to need a long metal axle to fit into the coil over there so you can help lift the string so it'll actually allow your mousetrap car to move. It's one of the main factors in building this, and yeah. So now we have a whole view on the mousetrap car, the 2 axles, the 4 CDs, and the wood on the outside CDs, and the mousetrap, the metal axle, and the string that is going through that wood axle. And then later on, I'm going to express why that string is going to be important, but it's going to be one of your major factors when you're going to try moving your mousetrap. As we can see, the string is going through the wooden axle over here, and the main reason for that is going to help turn your wooden axle around, and it's going to be attached to your metal axle up there so it can keep on rotating. And then when it runs out of rotations, that's when your mousetrap car is going to stop. So that string is going to be the major factor in helping your mousetrap car move. Now that is going to be a wrap up to how to make a mousetrap car and the materials you're going to need to make the mousetrap car. And the first thing you should always start with is making that Vectorworks diagram. And one thing you should always remember, safety is first, and every time you're doing it by these dangerous machines, you need to have your goggles on, make sure no one's near you, and yeah, and that's going to be a wrap.